This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tacoma battery. First, let's gather our tools and prioritize safety. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Always make sure your Tacoma is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your protection, please wear safety glasses and gloves throughout this process. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. Open your hood and locate the battery, usually found on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, first loosen and remove the negative cable, which is often black. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Next, disconnect the positive cable, typically red. Carefully move both cables away from the battery terminals. Finally, remove the hold-down clamp that secures the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to prepare for the new one. First, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps using a wire brush to remove any corrosion. This ensures a good connection. Carefully place your new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits level and snug. Reinstall the hold-down clamp, tightening it just enough to secure the battery without over-tightening. Now, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, ensuring both are tight. You're almost done. For added protection and longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent future buildup. Before closing the hood, double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. A loose connection can cause issues. Now, start your Toyota Tacoma to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Remember to take your old battery to an automotive parts store or a recycling center for proper and environmentally friendly disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.